Hi, I'm Alicia Mowry with the Delaware Area Career Center, here with another update for you on our construction project. And I'm here today with our project manager for Elford Incorporated, Ted Kelleher. So Ted, I've been really excited to talk to you today because a lot has changed since we've been out here for our last video update. Can you tell me what your crew's been up to?
Well, we've done a lot. So since about 2 months ago when we started back, we've started framing our interior partitions, doing mechanical equipment. You know, the biggest change that you'd see is that the interior walls started going up, and with that, we do our HVAC, plumbing, and electrical rough ends. We started finishing drywall, which is, you know, obviously starting to make it look like the space that's going to be finished. Outside, the biggest thing that we've done is tear down a portion of the old building that was here, and we started this week putting back up the structural steel to tie those two structures back together.
So today it's a balmy 15 degrees outside, and the Career Center has just come back from a few days off from weather delays. So how has that affected construction?
So we didn't stop. Weather is something that we have to deal with in Ohio, unfortunately. So we prepare for it. We have heaters inside the building, outside. We build tents and heat those so that our crews outside can keep on working. So it's just part of what we do every year, unfortunately.
And this is one of my favorite questions to ask. Where are we standing right now?
This is the power line lab, so this will be where students are going to learn how to climb poles and whatever else they do. So we do have a place where they can stick a pole in the ground and learn to climb.
And that's one of the North Campus programs that will move south in the school year 2019-2020 that we're so looking forward to. And then tell me, what's next?
So the next thing is the exterior veneer. So masonry is progressing on most of the building currently. We're starting wall panels next week. And then inside we are fireproofing, putting structural steel up to tie the two buildings together so it'll really start looking like it's going to look at the end of the day. And the next big thing for us will put mechanical equipment on the roof. So you'll start seeing cranes out here picking equipment and putting it up.
Well, thanks, Ted. For more updates like this one, please visit us on our website at delawareareacc.org or on our Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube pages at Delaware Area CC.